Hello friends, welcome to Shubhastray's mini world. So today I am going to Raja Bhat Khawa's in the way, and we will have lots of fun watching it because we have here the nature's loving beautiful nature's way we are going. The path is just beautiful. It's so good to be close to nature. We will also go to Baksa. We will have different kinds of way, but in that way we will feel the nature. And I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, then please like this video. It helps me always. So this is the gate where through which we are entering, and in that there was labeled as save wildlife, save nature, and actually we should save it. So this is the way. It is so nice to cross the path of the nature. I really liked the way the trees were. This is a little mandir, a temple where people worship Shivji and also Mata Rani. So after that, very soon we are going to reach to the museum of Baksa. So now you can see such a beautiful bridge with water. The river is so mesmerizing to see. I really liked it. Also, this train was going here, there, and it was so nice and pretty to see a train crossing through the railway line. It was really mesmerizing for me. My heart was love-dubbing while seeing such a beautiful world. It feels like I'm going to another world, as it has a very large, or you can say a very big difference between the city and this nature, because whatever I have seen in city, it's always busy around pollution. Quite all opposite is the forest, and I really liked it. So I really want to thank to my parents to take me to this kind of natural area. So this is the gate where it is showing that the Baksa Museum is near. So now we are going to the Baksa Museum. So this is the Baksa Interpretation Center. So friends, now we have reached to Lotabari. This is a picnic spot, and I was really, my heart filled with happiness, and I was so overjoyed in seeing such a beautiful river bank. I really liked it. The shore and the waves were sounding so amazing. So this was it, that finally we went back to home again, enjoying the sight of nature. I really didn't wanted to leave from this such a beautiful place, but what to do? We need to go to home. So telling goodbye to this loveliest nature, we went back to home. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.